The books are the great blessings for mankind. It is said that he who owns a good book does not need a company. I have read so many books, but the Holy Quran is my favorite book. Quran means the most widely read book. It was revealed to the Holy Prophet. It is written in Arabic. Its language is very eloquent, impressive, and forceful. Nobody can write such a book. It is the greatest miracle of Almighty Allah. It is full of knowledge and wisdom. It guides man completely. It tells us how to live in the world. It is the last message of Allah. It has a unique philosophy, a powering ethic, and a perfect arguments. It is an everlasting book. It can meet the challenges of our times. It is entirely meant for the betterment of the human beings. We should recite, understand, and act upon this great book. May Allah help us to follow it. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.